How about a short bonus video from America's largest RV show in Hershey, Pennsylvania? Yeah, this is not something that I'm interested in buying, but I just want to show you what's out there, what's new. So, tag along.
I'm riding in my RV, wherever I want to be, 'cause I'm free in my RV. Yeah.
Well, greetings from America's largest RV show. We're here at the Alliance booth, and we're gonna take a look at one of the Delta Ultralight trailers that they have. Something that, we could potentially tow with our half-ton. We're here at Alliance, and this is the Delta ML226 Ultralight, 2611 in length, and only 7450 GVWR. We could definitely tow this. This is $34,999 show price. MSRP is $48,898. We have a north-south bed here in the front. Reinforced drawers. So yeah, 90 pounds. So yeah, this is the Alliance quality you come to expect. Very nice. Under the bed storage, drawers under the bed. And then here we have a dinette. On this side, pretty large with storage underneath. On this side we have a sofa. Very large sofa on a slide out. This whole side, it's a slide out. So I would love to see it in road mode, like they say. TV in front of the sofa where it should be. Here we have huge pantry. Rear galley here, corner galley here on the slide outside. We have a 3-burner cooktop with is this propane? Sure is propane, and pots and pans drawer, very deep. I don't see a spot to put your garbage can, but yep, there is. That's the spot to put your garbage can. And a very nice sink. I like the fact that the drain is on one side, actually, because you would probably put your drying rack here. Full-time RVing warranty with not everybody offers that. Soft close hinges with a magnet, so they won't open like midway. And look at that, how they soft close. And here we have the bathroom. Soft close. That's a domestic porcelain toilet. Nice mirror here. Oh, plenty of room to put like towels and all your toiletries. We have ducted AC even here in the bathroom, by the way. And last but not least, let me do the shower test here. And yeah, definitely, yeah, plenty of headroom. And we have one of these. So it's not a cheap curtain. Very nice. I really like this Delta series. That's a huge slide out. So the bathroom will be accessible, but I don't know how accessible. Actually, pretty much everything looks accessible with the slide in. Except maybe it will be uncomfortable to cook or to do stuff back there. Actually, this is not bad. And you would lose access to your walk-around bed with the slide in, but in road mode, this is probably totally usable, so that's a good thing. Well, yeah, all throughout the show I've been saying, never ever do I want a slide in a rig. But then again, I'm a firm believer in never say never. So you never know. If the right rig with the right slide comes along, who knows? Here we have the famous Airhead composting toilet.
Hi, Robert. How are you?
How you doing?
Hi, I'm Al Vilches here at RV Show in Hershey, Pennsylvania, representing Airhead Composting Toilet. This toilet's revolutionary where you can eliminate your holding tank, because what we're doing is diverting the urine away from your solid matter. There's 2 bins or 2 tanks. Solids go into a second bin that's filled with either peat moss, cocoa fiber, or some type of other absorbing material. Crank handle on the side, that's going to mix that material inside the cocoa fiber. Urine drains forward to a 2-gallon bottle that's easily removed. It's secured to the floor by stainless steel L brackets. There's also a vent hose and fan that's going to draw moisture out from your solids bin. Our solids, as strange as it sounds, is mostly made up of liquid, so just through evaporation with the fan, it's going to reduce the size. So 2 folks using this exclusively every day, you might empty the solid bin once a month. And that was the whole concept, because all of us campers and RVers and boaters are always searching for our next holding tank. Now you've got 30 days of full-time use. To remove, there's thumb screws in the front and back. The bowl comes off real easy. Has rubber seal gaskets, so this can go into a wet room if your bathroom also doubles as a shower. We're the only composting toilet that comes with a lid and handle, so you can take this outside. Since we've not mixed the 2 together, we do not have sewage. We have urine and compost, which really opens up where you can dispose of this. A lot of state parks have compost bin. Worst case scenario, brown paper bag, toss it in the trash, just like diapers without the plastic. You're not hurting the environment. Get more information at airheadcompostingtoilet.com.
Can't start a fire. Sitting around and crying over it's not so higher. Even if we're just dancing.
Here we got something called the Tennessee Traveler. It's a 1931 Ford Model AA camp truck from Pulaski, Tennessee. Oh, look at that. No seat belts or anything like that. Very cool. Very fancy for 1931. There's those roaring 30s. No, the 20s were the roaring ones. Never mind. That's really cool. Of course, it is that time of the day where everybody is standing in line for lunch, and there's a Chick-fil-A truck, so. I mean, you really have to be hungry to eating here. I don't know how easy it is to get out and go to one of the local restaurants, but let me tell you, it's a madhouse in here.
Hello, Rob.
Hi, nice to meet you in my RV. And the other thing is, they used to have like tables and chairs, you know, for you to sit down and eat, but they don't have that anymore. So now everybody just, you know, piles up on this hill here or whatever you can find a place to sit, which it's not ideal, but it is what it is. It is the busiest day here at America's largest RV show. Well, we're here at our last day here at the RV show, basically. I came to Winnebago to see what they have changed in the Micro Minnie side. Let me show you. You may be familiar with this floor plan. This is the 2108 DS that we had for a little over a year. Mini Tini 3, Murphy bed, and for the most part, very similar. The only thing they have changed is the material here. And they went with a 2-burner cooktop, which I like because now you have a little more counter space here. Other than that, it is about the same. Oh, and they changed the colors on the outside too. Now they have this black and white thing going with the big flying W, and the front is black now. And I'm gonna show you the Thrive, the one that I couldn't show you in Indiana a couple of months ago. The one that could have been Mini 5. And it is here. And actually, I think that it's a beautiful rig. I like these new steps that they're using. They're solid steps, but they look nice. Still, I know you guys. I know I'm not a fan of solid steps, but anyway, they have this big window in the front, which I don't know why you're not supposed to power wash it, but they claim it comes with a protection from rocks and all that. So here we go. The storage is pretty huge. We could put quite a few lithium batteries in there as well. And let me show you what it looks like. And by the way, show pricing 33, the magic number. And that's probably a very good deal because this rig is beautiful. The only thing that wouldn't have worked for us is this sofa. We kind of, we have special needs. We need a permanent table to work, basically. But yeah, I love what they've done. I've loved that huge window by the bed there. And yeah, they have soft close doors and drawers right now. And I love the light color everywhere. Lots of counter space here in the galley. And something that, not all of them think about, but Winnebago did this time around is, yeah, we have trash cans. And we have a utensil drawer. And let me tell you, for someone who doesn't need a permanent dinette to work, this is a pretty good rig. Also in the fact that it does have a slide. I think I am the odd one that doesn't want to slide. Everybody seems to want to slide. But anyway, with the slide in, I think the only thing you lose access to is that power outlet down there and the walk-around capability for the bed on this side. Other than that, this rig seems to be fully usable in road mode. You have the large refrigerator here in the back. Pantry drawers. Yeah. And now, finally, here's the bathroom. Porcelain toilet, of course. And as Matt would say, yeah, it is a prime pooping position. And the shower, let's do the shower test real quick. And here we go. Yeah, we have plenty of headroom if you are like me, about 5'10" and whatnot. Tankless water heater, and it's a Furrion. They're using all Furrion appliances here. Another thing that is different from the Micro Minis, they've gone back to a propane oven, which is actually cool. And then what they do, they don't give you a convection microwave. It's just a standard small-ish microwave over here. But yeah, I like the integrated sink. There's a lot to like about this rig, just not for us. And this is it. This is your bonus video here from America's largest RV show. As always, thank you for watching, and see you on the road.